Yo, this is brother from the third stone. How you guys doing? And I'm just doing an update on my 6177 Subaqua. And this is a GMT, and it's a great watch. I had talked to people before, several years back, about my band breaking, and it did. This is a replacement band, and I can't remember exactly where I got it, but it was off the internet, and I spent 50% less than what I was going to spend with Invicta. I had the band put on by a jeweler, and from unfortunately, the jeweler, the screw is missing a screw in the back. So that's the one thing that I have to replace, is the screw in the back. So I'm sure Invicta has the screws to replace it. This watch is not that old, but I got the replacement for it, and thank goodness, because I like this watch. Now I have to go get a battery for it, and once that happens, I will be a-okay. I have somebody in the mall around here that will replace it, and plus I get my senior discount, which is perfect. They take off 10%. So I'm saving a lot of money since I became 62 years of age, which is excellent. But again, this is brother from the third stone, and my Invicta Subaqua GMT 6177 is now fully functional. New band. Peace.